discuss the third part of the control panel, means that chapter 2 we are working about the control panel. Means control panel is a panel which is used to control all the parts of the computer related to the hardware and software. It means that one, we are going to discuss about the font. What is font? Different styles of writing characters in the text specific size are known as the font. In the font, if you want to install any type of font related to the other language, means that Hindi, English, Urdu, whatever language, first of all you have to download the font from the Google's any other media, and that font should be copied to the font folder which is in the control panel. And after copying this font in the font folder, then there will option will come install, and by clicking on the install the font, and the font will be installed into your system. Now if you want to write in Hindi, then go to the Microsoft Office and open the Microsoft Word, and there we choose the in the font option Kurti Dev, and that Kurti Dev will select it, and then write from the keyboard, and the Hindi font will appear on your screen. Next option is that how to change the mouse setting. Mouse setting is important for who they work the left and right. We can just easily change the bottom of the mouse. Means open the control panel and go to the mouse panel, and there is the option will come how to change the bottom of mouse panel. Means that here is the example how the mouse panel can be changed. In this options we can change the left and right position of the mouse, and just after changing just click on the apply button. The mouse button position should be, it will be changed according to your setting. Next option is that replacing the double click with the single click. If you want to replace to that, if you want to say that I want to just single click to open the files and folder, then you can just change the setting in the mouse panel. After that, power saving mode. Means power saving mode, how we can save our electricity, and which is done in the laptop and desktop also. In the first is the sleep mode. In sleep mode power saving state where whether a computer does not turn off completely. In this state, monitor and hard disks are turned off. All the open documents and applications are put in RAM, and system draw a small amount of power. It allows the computer to quickly resume full power operation when we start working again. Sleep mode is used if you want to stop working for a short time. The following step to put in the computer in the sleep mode. Go to the power option in the control panel and change the setting what you want to there. Okay. Next is that hibernate mode. Hibernate mode is a state in which the computer shut down to save power, but it first save all the open document and running application in the memory on hard disks. When you restart the computer, your desktop is restored exactly as you left it. That means that hibernation means that it is used to close all the open application, and when we open that, the last moment where we have left it, from that the application will open. Next we are going to discuss about that how these function come in the laptop and desktop. We know that these all function come in the laptop and desktop. In the control panel there is the power option. By applying the power option, we can apply the different type of to save our battery, electricity, and the consumption of the electricity and loss of the data. Means that it is the last point of your computer of control panel. If you want to discuss more about that, we'll discuss in the next chapter how does computer work according to a control panel. Means that how the control panel manage all the systems. Means that in this control panel we can manage the hardware, software, and if the function is not working, then we can easily manage from the control panel. In the control panel we used to manage, delete, uninstall the programs according to our customized usage. Means that there are the many functions in the control panel to manage our systems. It is the last point of your chapter 2. Thank you.